Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. Get down in the car, one time give it all. Bust it open hard, let me see you drop. I fucked up this Russell, yeah, we hustle, but the oh my. I fucked up this Russell, yeah, we hustle, but the oh my. What is my guys? Know that they fly, know that they ride or die.
What's happening, guys? You guys just watch my crazy intro video. Let's check out the real video. Alright, let's see what are the modifications I've done to my bike. Also, I'm gonna explain you guys how much each part cost me. Let's go. Alright, this one is the most expensive aftermarket part I have installed to my bike. It's full FMF exhaust system, and it's FMF Q4 Power Core 4 exhaust system, and it cost me like 800 Australian dollars. And this one, rear brake caliper guard, I just bought it from eBay very cheaper, not best quality, but it's all right. It cost me like 50 Australian dollars. Okay, this one, Outex triple clamp stabilizer, I just directly bought it from a Japanese website, directly from Outex website, and it cost me like 300 Australian dollars. And this one I directly bought from Zeta parts website. It's original Zeta, and it cost me like 250 Australian dollars. Also, I swapped stock handlebar to aftermarket handlebar, and this red color handlebar, RHK handlebar, cost me $150, 150 Australian dollars. Also, I installed quad lock wireless charging system, and it's waterproof quad lock system, and it cost me like $150 for everything, 150 Australian dollar. Okay, also I installed Oxford hot grip system. It's kind of helped me during winter season. When I'm riding during winter season, it's very helpful, and you can adjust heat from here also, and it cost me like 300 Australian dollars. Okay, also I installed a hand guard, and I bought it cheaper from AliExpress. It cost me like $30. Yeah, not bad. Alright, guys, that's the all modifications I have done to my bike, and I know it's not bigger modifications, but that's what I have done. And yeah, so see you guys from next episode.